This your boy Heartless back again with another video. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. As you can see right here, 128 gigabytes in pearl white. Normally I like black phones, but today I went with the white. I wanted to switch it up this time for the Samsung. So let's go ahead and get this going. So first thing, let's go ahead and cut this open. Make sure you cut away from yourself. Learn it as a kid, even though I always practice it how I'm supposed to. Let's go ahead and slide this off here. Alright, first thing you're meeting with is the actual phone itself. And you know, I'm coming from the Note 9, and to be honest with you, I like the size of the Note 9, but to have just about the same screen size inside of a smaller body, I'm digging it. And so far, looking at this pearl white, this thing is actually pretty nice. The new phones, as you can see, they actually come bundled inside of here with a screen protector already inside the phone now. It's not going to be the best of quality like the tempered glass screen protectors, but you know it does its job. So first thing, let's go ahead and do the little peel test. I know you guys like how this sounds, so I'm gonna be quiet for a second. All right, put this over to the side. I'm gonna put the phone to the side. You got a white charging brick instead of the black ones that normally came in the other ones. I'm not too fond of the white ones, but you know, I guess if you get a white phone, you get the white ones. You get the black phone, you get the black one. Also inside of the box, you have the pretty much the dongle, so you can go ahead and get everything off of your old phone. You can transfer it over, whether it be iPhone or whether it be any type of Android. In here, you get your USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And also inside of here, you get your Akg headphones. These are actually in white. I do have the black pair also. Let me pull them out here from my Note 9, and as you can see, they look almost identical. So put these over here and file this to the side too. And that's all that's inside the box. So put everything back in here nice and as neat as possible. And let's go ahead and get to the main attraction here. So, you know, honestly, I was debating about buying this phone. I didn't know if I wanted to buy it or not. And the reasoning behind that is because I had the Note 9, and the Note 9 was pretty much everything I wanted. But only thing about the Note 9 was, you know, the bezel kind of got on me because I see all the new phones coming out that had little bezel, but I never liked the notch like that. I've never been a fan of it. So I saw the unveiling of the Samsung new screens, and they had the one with the diamond cut, the little punch cut out. They had pretty much all of that. And I was like, you know what, I can dig that, because you know, honestly, you still have some leeway around the camera. If you look here, it's not all gone. And you can actually, I saw some people that are using kind of like wallpapers where it hides it, like the bender wallpaper. I thought that was actually pretty hot. So you know, I decided to get it, and so far, looking at it in person, I'm digging it much more than I dig my Note 9. The only thing about the Note 9 is the S Pen you lose out on, but to be honest with you, I got the phone as soon as it came out, and I may have used it, if so, maybe once. So let's go through the setup. Let's see. So first thing you got to do is agree to all these terms and conditions. Let's press next. How do you want to connect? Bring your old data from quicker, so we'll go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that via cable. All right, so let me go ahead and set this up. I'll be right back. So the next thing is I want you to update your phone and everything else. You can bring your old data from your old phone. So like I'm bringing mine from my Note 9. I also have a Note 8. So I'm gonna use the cable instead of wireless, and I have to enter my Wi-Fi info. I'm gonna put this in here. Give me a second from behind the camera. Let's see. All right, so got that. Next thing after that, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and let's see. Boom. All right, so right now I guess it has to update the smart switch, which that was pretty quick. Let's see what happens next. Come on. All right, next thing I gotta do, so I'll go ahead and do this later and update all my other stuff so we can get through with this. All right, so next, all right, it's checking for updates. Checking info. All right, so let me sign into my Google. Give me a quick second. All right, so that's updated now. So once I put in my information from my Google, see the Note 9, the last backup was 4 days ago. So I can go ahead and pull from there. It's 5.1 gigs, 134 apps, 294. Let's see what else. I won't restore it. I'll go ahead and do that later because I don't want to keep this video and make it too long. So you got a couple ways of actually getting into the phone. You have the face recognition, your fingerprint, your pattern, your PIN, your password, and everything else. So I want to use the fingerprint. So with the fingerprint, you also have to set up a PIN. I'll set up a PIN. I was telling you how to actually scan your finger. So put my finger here. Most of the time that's how to be. Oh, I gotta press it to say a little harder. And I'm gonna try to do it in different directions because I want it to be able to get all sides of my finger when I do it. Just in case, you know, one day something's going on where my hand is a little greasy or I'm just not able to get to it right. You know, you want to be able to hit it almost every single time. Giggity. So let's see, get a full scan, take finger positions. All right, cool, continue. That's what I'm doing. All right, cool. So fingerprint added. All right, so I did that fingerprint. I'm gonna do one more with my other thumb just in case I'm holding the phone in my other hand. Rotate, keep rotating, keep rotating. Go from there. All right, gotta do a lot though, that's what. Let's see. All right, I got you. Golly, every time it keeps telling me to rotate. Maybe that's just them telling you so that way you don't just put it one way and you end up messing up. You try to use your finger one day. All right, so that's done. Assistant, set that up just like every other Samsung phone. Come on.
Log into a Samsung account.
All right, so let me put my Samsung information in. Give me a second. All right, so I put in my Samsung information. And we're definitely in. So as you can see, this thing is definitely buttery smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and first thing I want to change. All right, I know I gotta back it up. So the first thing I want to change here is the grid icons, because the biggest thing that I hate with this phone is how big the icons are. I guess it's for somebody who can't see that well. That's a good thing, but I personally I can't do that. So let me go here. No, not Finder settings. It's right here, and it's home screen settings. So I'm gonna change the home screen to 5x5. That'll works for me. Then I'm also gonna change the app screen to 5x6, because I actually like my icons as small as possible. So that works perfect for me. But so far so good. It's sitting here, it's downloading all my apps in the background. Nothing stuttering, nothing lagging, which honestly it hasn't been like that since the days of the S4 and S5. That's the last time I remember a phone lagging when it comes to Samsung. I've had Samsung, Android products, all those products for a very long time, and nothing has lagged since that time. So far, you know, that's my unboxing of the Samsung S10 Plus. One other thing I did go ahead and purchase, because you know at the end of the day it's a $1,000 phone, and the last thing you want to do is actually drop it. I went ahead and bought a case. It's a new design, super slim creative case. Biggest thing with me, I like cases that have where I can rest my phone and be able to use it without me having to hold it all the time. Or if I want to hold it, I want to be able to hold it and not have to worry about dropping it. So, you know, I bought this little thing and I want to be able to see the phone itself. So slip it right on in here. And you know, you can still, oh, that's gonna bother me. Let me take that out and get whatever that is off the back. But put your phone up in there, boom. You can still see the phone, it's still slim. On the back, you can still see the phone itself. And then if you need to, let me see, how do you do that? Oh, there you go. God, that's kind of tough though. You can use it and hold it, or you can pop it up just like that and be able to watch everything that you want to watch. And it's perfect for it. But other than that, you know, that's pretty much it. That's my unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to do any comparisons between any of your phones, you know, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Don't hesitate to also like, subscribe, or if there's anything that I can do better, don't hesitate to put that in the comments as well. And this is your boy Heartless signing off. You have a great one.